Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Sherry Nyon, 44 years old from the Philippines. I am married and I have 6 children. And I am the breadwinner of the family. I am a high school graduate. I've been working in Saudi Arabia for 6 years. My main duties and responsibilities are to taking good care of the newborn baby and a 2-year-old baby boy. And also I will do house chores such as I wash clothes, ironing, and clean the house. And also I will prepare a healthy food for the children. Please, sir, mom, hire me. I promise you that I will do my best. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and I have a long patience. And I will love your children as my own. I hope you would consider me to be part of your children's journey to life. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I would hear from you soon. Once again, thank you and God bless you.